Hello everyone, my name is Amanpreet Thind. The topic for today's presentation that I have selected is quite debatable, that is printed books versus ebooks. Do you know, according to Toronto Star Survey 2020, 80% of Ontarians read a book in 2019. To begin with, I will be covering the topic within 7 to 9 minutes, not more than that. Here is the table of content that I will be discussing with you, that is ebooks, printed books, how ebooks have gained popularity over time, and the comparison of printed books versus ebooks, trending sales, and which is better. Beginning with ebooks. It is quite common nowadays. Ebooks have the in the digital forms with text and images in a reflowable way. The content of the printed books is quite similar with the ebooks, and it is non-editable text. Some of the text it can be editable. It can be available in different formats like the PDF, EPUB, and etc. Generally, its a major benefit is that it can be accessible on any device. Now take a look about the some popular e-readers devices. First is Kindle is by Amazon, Kobo is by Rakuten, Nook by Barnes and Nobles. Kindle is the quite common is appeared in 2007, which raised a debate, and it's a very difficult to choice between printed books and ebooks. Now come up with the printed books. According to the famous American Nicholas and Baker, he said that printed books usually outline bookstore at the publishers who bought them out. They sit around and demanding nothing for decades. That's one of their nice qualities, their brute personalities. That the printed books are never gone up, and it is never end up in with the centuries. It is used by everyone, either for work, for school, for the entertainment. It has always enriched with the different kinds of experience, and a physical reminder of intellectual journey with books is a very good kind of a read the books. Now, how ebooks gain popularity over time? It can be said by the different time period. In 1971, first ebook is digitized, the US Declaration of Independence launched by the Michael Sandhart. In 1985, Voyager Company expanded a books with the CD-ROMs. It's called a CD-ROMs. In 1988, Rocket eBooks and soft books ESIB issued to an ebook. US librarians provide the different free ebooks to publics. In 2004, Sony launched the on ebook. It is called Sony Libre, that is called e-reader. In 2007, Amazon appeared with the Kindle ebook. And in 2010, banner of the year ebooks release some kind of iBooks. Google ebooks store, Amazon ebooks outnumbered. In 2020, ebooks sales increased by 20%, and it is the highest increase in 2020. Now, how comparison between the printed books and ebooks. It is quite difficult to compare about the printed books and ebooks, because ebooks is have an instant accessible. because it is eco-friendly, portable and editable. It can be read anywhere at any time according to their convenience, and it can be used in any device, and it also saves the money and time. But in printed books it has a better comprehension, it is a most durable and higher collection values, because some of the people are aware about the reading the books and they are non-readable in darkness. Now take a look for the statistics that how public preferred the option, that is printed books or e-books. First of all, the graphical presentation. Take a look that a percentage of US adults reading the following books. In 2011, people are prefer to read the printed book rather than e-books, and but in 2015 the adults start encouraging to reading the e-books, that is 27%, but in 2019 it also decreased by 2% according to the 2015. According to Toronto Star Survey in 2020, 34% of college graduates listed to an audiobook. That in printed books only it's 27%, and only 7% per books are read by the persons reads only e-books. Now trending sales. There is still big money in old-fashioned publics. The books sales revenue in 2019, the chart depicts that 74.70% books are sold in 2019, that is over the 26 billion, rather than prefer to the e-books readers. Now, which is better? It is quite difficult to set that which is the better choice, because both have own merits and demerits, because e-books are still preferred by the old people, because they encourage to read the printed books, because they said that these are my old mentoring. That projected ebooks sales in 2025 is equal to 7.78 billion. It is a projected, not a perfect. That printed books remain internal, so it is quite debatable. It's not sure that e-books are better than the printed books, so it is quite hard to choose between the printed books or the e-books. So here is the references of my presentation that I have choose the material. So now last, I thank you.